Taj is not allowed at Walmart anymore. Good morning, everyone. It's currently 3:15 a.m. and we're on our way to Tully here. Me and Taj are plowing. We've gotten probably about, I'd say, 4 to 5 inches of snow. It's pretty much done snow. We just gotta do the cleanup now. Alright guys, so we've done Tully, 2 residentials, and it's 4:30 now. It's taking a little while. This Christmas lights up. And no issues yet other than we broke a shovel, but that's minor. It's so icy out still underneath all of this stuff from that freezing rain we got. And I just slid through a freaking stop sign and almost hit a telephone pole in front of it. I was doing like 20 miles an hour getting ready to slow down the stop sign, and I even dropped my plow and I didn't even stop. And at the last second it grabbed and it pulled me to the left, thank God. I almost collided with a pole, but it's very icy. Got some breakfast and some coffee. And get back on the road, start plowing again all over. Time the shovel. I did some of it with the truck. Wow, Tosh got a whole tree here. Go put it back. Alright guys, Walmart's looking a little snowy here. Whole parking lot looks like this, and a little slushy. It has been salted and scraped each twice. So like we've scraped it up twice and then we've salted it twice. It's just taking a while for it to burn up and melt, but it's getting there. Alright guys, so Taj is not allowed at Walmart anymore because he I guess was driving fast or something in the parking lot when I wasn't there. I didn't see anything, but it was blew a stop sign where they up front. I mean, we all do it, and nobody was coming, and then the manager was outside for some reason, and I guess he got a little snow on him and he didn't like it, and he called Brian and basically said that he doesn't want Taj there anymore, so Taj isn't allowed on Walmart campus anymore. So yeah, it's not very good. So we don't know what we're gonna do for that right now, but until then Taj is not allowed to Walmart anymore.